Here I have Google Nest Hub, and today I'm going to show you how to change its Hey Google function sensitivity. So firstly, you'll have to access
According
open.
to Wikipedia, the sensitivity function tells us how the disturbances are influenced by feedback.
Oh no.
Disturbance, the mic's off.
Firstly, you'll have to open the Google app, then access your Nest through the Google app. Then go to its settings, then go to the audio, and here you have the last option, Hey Google sensitivity. And here you can change it. You can do it more sensitive or less sensitive. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.